The newest version of Mint is now here. With version 14.2 comes bug fixes, general improvements, and new features that will ramp up your user experience. We'll start with the new features in user passwords and restrictions. Previously, the user properties password expires and password can be changed were read-only for administrator users. Now you can define that an administrator's password can expire and be updated using Change Password in TMS Desktop, Forgot Password in the web portal, or the My Profile section of TMS Web. We've also introduced a new user property called Force Password Change. With this property, you can now force users to change their password upon next logging in to one of the Mint applications. Next, we've added an improvement to our filtering option when viewing assignment statuses. In the past, you could only see one status in the table per resource record item and could only filter that column for a single status. But now, the column has all applicable status icons and status filtering allows multiple selections. Additionally, we've added 5 new actions to expand the FTP functionality of the system. The first one is FTP Connect Server action, which is used to connect and store an FTP connection. Next, we have FTP Disconnect Server action for closing the FTP connection. Then, we have FTP Upload File Server action that is used to upload files to an FTP server. Meanwhile, the FTP Download Files Server action allows you to download files from an FTP server. Lastly, we have the FTP Get File Listing Server action, which retrieves file listing information so that the latest file can be downloaded for import. Now, let's head over to our form builder. When working with a form design, you can now reset background color for the following components: checkbox, radio button, label, link, link to pop-up, frame, expander, and table. With this feature, you can switch a component to a transparent background color without recreating the component. Lastly, you can now configure the email engine in Mint TMS Web under TMS configurations. You'll have a user-friendly experience with our dedicated page with configuration properties and helpful hints for each field. For more information about the changes introduced with version 14.2, visit your Mint manual.